Hello children, Sai Ram. Today once again we will continue with our revision of lesson food. So today I will tell you about a balanced diet. A food that you eat every day is called your diet. But a diet that gives you the nutrients in the right quantities is called the balanced diet. You know you know what it is. What are the nutrients? Yes, we discussed yesterday the nutrients that are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals and the fat. So all these nutrients should be in the right amount, right quantity, then it makes your balanced diet. This you have already learned. We are just today just brushing off your knowledge, okay, what you have learned in the previous classes. Now a food does not contain all these. Any one food will not contain all these nutrients in right amount. So to make it easier for us to select select a balanced diet, to make a balanced diet, the foods are divided into certain groups like protein group, milk group, vegetable and fruits group, and cereal group. Now, protein groups includes meat, eggs, fish, beans, nuts, peas, etc. While milk group includes milk, cheese, curd, etc. Vegetable and fruits group includes fresh vegetables and fruits. While cereal group includes rice, breads, chapati, etc. Yes, see here. Here the amount is also given. If a a balanced diet is there, means it should have 25% of carbohydrates, for 40% of vegetables and fruits, 25% of proteins and 10% of fats. So all this amount makes a balanced diet, right? See, here is a pyramid showing a balanced diet. See, at the bottom are all the grains and cereals, okay? Then are the fruits and vegetables. Then is the milk and other products of milk. Here are the fair protein protein foods, okay, food containing proteins, and then is the fats, oils, etc. Okay, so if you have if you eat one item from each of this, it will make you a balanced diet. Now we will go for an activity which will show you a balanced diet. Okay, so see here, a chart is given and here are the some of the uh, food items. Now, what is the activity? That each food item you have to see and you have to decide in which group it should belong. You understand? So, we'll begin with the activity. So, first is a cheese. I'll just first tell you. Another is cereals. I mean, there are the grains and all those things. Then are the pulses. Then next row, here are the fruits. Then vegetables. Then again vegetables and some fruits. Bottom, here are the idlis made up of rice. Then is the chapatis. Then is the fish. And then the jar of milk. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to place each of this food in its correct group of food. You understand? So, let's begin. So, this is the cheese, right? So, cheese should go to the milk group, right? This is the milk group, right? Then is the grains, right? Wheat or rice, some grains are there, so they should go to the cereal group. So I'll put it in the cereal. Another is pulses, right? So it should go to the protein group. Wait, no, not this. It should go to the it should go to the protein group. So here is the protein group is here. Yes. This is the next is, let me make this proper. Yes, okay. Next is fruits. Fruits will go to the fruits and vegetable group. This also, this both will go to the fruits and vegetables. Another one again is the, these are idlis. These are the idlis. So this will go to the cereal group. Again chapati will also go to the cereal group. Right? So all this purple color are of cereal group, and then this one, let me change the color of the protein. Huh? So I'll just change the color of the protein group. Okay. Or what I'll do it again only. So that, okay, fine. So see, this is in the milk group. Okay, this and this. Right? Done? Now we'll shift to cereal group. This will come to cereal group. This and this. Done? Then comes our vegetable and fruits group. This and this will come to vegetable. Now what remains? Proteins. Okay. So now for protein I am again selecting blue color. This is the protein group. This and fish. You understand? So these things are all divided into their particular group. So this is how it can be done. Right? Now we will go to the another activity. See here, you observe the food pyramid and you have to answer the question given. So the food items in level 1 are rich in what? So you observe the pyramid first. See, the level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4 are there. Level 1 is wheat, rice, cereals, bread. Then is the milk and cheese, egg, meat, means proteins and milk. Then vegetables and fruits, and then oil, sweets, ghee. So the question is, the food items in level 1 are rich in carbohydrates. Yes. So, are they, so see, at the level 1 are the wheat, rice, cereals, bread. So they are rich in carbohydrates. Right? This is where I have marked. Fine. Another one. Level 4 contains oil, sweets and ghee. These are rich in what? Tell me. You can also guess the answer. So they are rich in carbohydrates, fats, vitamins or proteins. They are rich in fats, right? Because the level 4 contains oil, sweets, ghee, etc. So I'll mark fats, right? Another, the primary function of proteins is what? Options are to give energy, to give warmth to the body, to build and repair parts of the body, or to build stronger bones. So, the correct option is the proteins help us to build and repair parts of the body. So, this is the correct option. Okay, another one. The items at level 3 are also known as what? Tell me, what is at the level 3? Level 3 is having vegetables and fruits. So, they are known as what? They are known as protective food. They protect you from certain disease. They keep you healthy and fit. So, they are known as protective food. And this is how we have marked the protective, right, option, protective food. Fine. Now, another activity. See here again, a pyramid is shown, and see the questions are there. Your mother asks you to bring 3 protein foods. Now take the food items that you will bring. What you will bring? Tell me. Protein food you have to select, right? So here are the protein foods. Here are the eggs. Okay. Then are the pulses, and then is the meat or fish, whatever you like. any three items, but all these contain the protein. So any three item you can select, right? Okay. Next one, Aman eats only milk, cheese, curd in his diet. Okay. What group of food does Aman eat? Tell me. What group it is? It is the milk group. Here is the milk group. Correct? So this is the milk group from where the Aman selects his food. Okay. Another, Rajesh always have balanced diet. Check the food items Rajesh has in his diet. Balanced diet means yes, he should have food items from one at least one item from each of these groups. Okay, so he can have chapati or he can have rice. Okay, any one item of this. Then he can have the vegetables, then some fruits, right? Then for proteins he can have pulses, right? And fish. Then milk item he can have curd, and little of the oil will be there in all this food. While cooking, the oil is needed. So extra also he doesn't need if to make a balanced diet. So this is how he can make a balanced diet. Little oil or ghee is always there in the food. So this is how Rajesh have the balanced diet, right? Another, okay, this is the and so this is how we have revised the balanced diet topic of this lesson. In another period, we will further revise the remaining part of the lesson, that is cooking food and using of the preservatives. Till then, you can revise it again and take care. Goodbye. Thank you.